This is a Land Rover Defender Puma, and this is how you protect it properly. Starting with the Clifford alarm, with its most notorious feature, the proximity sensor, Bosch. Super bright blue LED, that is going to deter thieves from getting any closer. Clifford remote, that's how you turn it off and on, not like that rubbish two-way Land Rover remote. This is the best system in the industry right now. Clifford's got anti-hijack system built into it. Without your 4-digit PIN number, this vehicle is going to shut down even if they've nicked your keys and your Clifford remote. What more can you ask for? And if that siren ain't enough to annoy the thieves and attract attention, I don't know what is. Get a Clifford, protect your Defender now. Boom.